guys, it's Jamie here with JVI Secret Gardens. We've got some colder weather coming in on the horizon, and with that news, I wanted to give y'all a few tips and tricks on bringing some of your outdoor plants in for the winter, some of the best practices so they'll make it through the winter and you can enjoy them again in the spring. Stay tuned for more. One of the big things to remember when you bring outdoor plants inside is you don't want the outdoor pest to come with them. That can lead to a pest infestation in your home. It could also lead to pests on your other plants that are already indoors. So a good rule of thumb is to use an insecticidal soap, such as this one. Neem oil also works, but you basically rub it on both sides of the leaf, get any aphids or mites that might be hanging out on the underside, get it nice and clean, make sure it's pest-free before you bring it in. And if your pot's been sitting outside in the summer and might have some grime and some dust collecting on it, give your pot a quick swipe as well. Don't have to use the insecticidal soap, you can just use your regular soap, but give it a little cleaning before you bring it in, and that'll help keep some more dust and dirt out of your home as well. Like I said, insecticidal soap, a little bit of neem oil if you have it, will work wonders and keep all of your plants pest-free as well as your house. One important thing to remember about bringing your plants in is you actually need to acclimate them a little bit. You don't want to shock them too much by bringing them outside from super cold temperatures to inside to warmer temperatures. So what I like to do is I like to bring them in when it's a little cooler. Here in Nashville, we like to say if the temperatures drop below 50 degrees, bring those houseplants in. If it's warmer during the day, go ahead, set them outside, let them get some air circulation, let them get some sunlight, but again, bring them inside if it starts to dip below 50 degrees. Keep on doing this until the temperature is consistently below 50 degrees. After that, you can leave them inside and you'll be good to go. Now that you've got your plant safely indoors, there's a few tips about placement that I need to talk about. One, they still need light even though they're indoors, so go ahead and place them by a nice window. Just make sure the window's not super drafty. As long as they've got a little bit of light, they should be okay. Next, you also want to keep them away from heating vents. That heat can really start to blast your plant no matter how tropical it is. And third, don't forget to water them. Put them in a place where you'll remember them. They're not going to be growing as quickly as they were outside in the heat, so you don't need to water them as frequently, but don't forget to water them because in the spring you're going to be real sad when your houseplant isn't alive. And there you have it. Those are our tried and true tips and tricks for bringing your outdoor plants in for the winter so they'll survive and you can enjoy them again next spring. And take a chance. Maybe bring in an annual that you really, really like and see if it survives the winter. One of the girls here at the garden center really loves purslane, so she brings it in, and last year she had multiple purslanes once warmer weather hit. Y'all know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. Let us know what plants you're overwintering, or just share photos of your own jungle room at your house. Till next time, I'm Jamie. This has been another JVI Secret Gardens Garden Guide.